Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up your Dell 7320 Detachable without Microsoft account. So, first click Shift and F10 or Alt F10, Fn F10, something that would pop out this CMD. Now I would zoom it for you so you would see better. Now click Alt and Tab 2 times to select this window, and right now type in with caps lock OOBE backslash bypass NRO and enter. Okay. We wait a couple of seconds. It is restarting. Yeah, just a moment, but it usually takes a couple of seconds, maybe some minutes. So I'll be back to you when it's ready. So now it is ready. Oh my god, it's so bright that you probably won't see anything. But yeah, that's it, just continue the setup. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.